Welcome back to Future Fuel, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of compact SUVs with the much-anticipated Volkswagen T-ROC 2025. This refreshed model has taken the market by storm, blending sleek design, cutting-edge tech, and impressive performance. So, buckle up as we explore everything this dynamic SUV has to offer. The Volkswagen T-ROC first debuted as a bold statement in the compact SUV segment, and the 2025 model raises the bar yet again. Starting with the exterior, the T-ROC has received a stunning facelift. A more angular grille, updated LED matrix headlights, and sharper lines define its modern, aggressive look. Complementing these changes are redesigned alloy wheels ranging from 17 to 19 inches and new paint options, including striking metallic tones that are bound to turn heads. Moving inside, Volkswagen has gone all out to enhance comfort and technology. The 2025 T-ROC features a revamped interior with premium materials, an ergonomically redesigned dashboard, and a fully digital cockpit. The centerpiece of the cabin is a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system, now running the latest VW software. It offers seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even built-in navigation. Volkswagen's focus on sustainability is also evident in the 2025 T-ROC. Many of the cabin materials are eco-friendly, with recycled fabrics and vegan leather options. The ambient lighting system, customizable with up to 30 colors, adds a touch of sophistication to every journey. Now, let's talk about performance. The T-ROC 2025 comes with a range of powertrain options to suit different driving needs. The lineup includes turbocharged petrol and diesel engines, along with a plug-in hybrid variant for the eco-conscious driver. The hybrid combines a 1.4-liter turbo engine with an electric motor, offering a combined output of around 240 horsepower. It boasts an all-electric range of up to 50 kilometers, making it perfect for urban commutes. For enthusiasts, Volkswagen has retained the sporty T-ROC R model. This high-performance variant features a 2.2-liter turbocharged engine delivering a thrilling 300 horsepower with a 0-100 km/h time of just under 5 seconds. And all-wheel drive, the T-ROC R ensures an exhilarating ride every time. Safety is another highlight of the T-ROC 2025. Volkswagen has equipped the SUV with its latest IQ Drive system, which includes advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The vehicle also comes with travel assist, allowing for semi-autonomous driving in specific conditions. These enhancements ensure a safer and more comfortable driving experience. Practicality has not been overlooked either. The T-ROC 2025 offers a spacious cabin with ample room for 5 passengers and plenty of storage options. The boot capacity remains impressive, with up to 445 liters available, expandable to over 1,300 liters when the rear seats are folded down. Volkswagen has also emphasized efficiency in the T-ROC 2025. With its improved aerodynamics and advanced engine technology, the SUV delivers better fuel economy than ever before. The plug-in hybrid variant is especially noteworthy, offering an impressive combined fuel efficiency of around 70 miles per gallon. Details of information can be found on the post for this episode at heritageradio.org in the comments section. And let's not forget customization. Buyers can choose from a variety of trim levels, optional packages, and accessories to make the T-ROC truly their own. Whether it's a sporty look with blacked-out accents or a luxurious touch with premium interior finishes, there's something for everyone. The 2025 Volkswagen T-ROC strikes a perfect balance between style, performance, and innovation. It's clear that Volkswagen has listened to its customers and delivered a vehicle that meets the demands of modern drivers. So what do you think of the all-new T-ROC? Is it the compact SUV of your dreams? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Future Fuel for more exciting automotive content. Thanks for